Hey, Brian Pfeiffer here, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to talk about a cool new feature that Facebook has. All right, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and bang the notifications bell, we talk about everything online marketing here and how to make money online with Shopify, affiliate marketing, and Amazon FBA. Make sure you subscribe. All right, so as you probably have seen from my channel, I have a lot of ties to the promotions world. I have 4 big websites in Las Vegas. I have a nightclub that I own part of in Chicago. I have a Halloween and I have a New Year's event in Chicago, and kind of grew up on the whole Facebook. Well, actually, it was first MySpace, and then it was Twitter, and then it was, Facebook was the big one, the game changer for the promotions world. But they don't really, one thing about Facebook is they make changes typically to their platform, and they'll do ad stuff or take stuff away in some cases, or move stuff around, and they don't really tell anybody. Generally, the way I find out about changes and whatnot are from articles that somebody else wrote because they noticed something and they did a little investigation. Rarely does Facebook, I think, put out like a press release that they made a change. At least I've never seen one. Usually I find out about it by reading articles and watching YouTube videos and whatnot. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys today. So I saw a new feature that came out here. I have my my phone plugged in, and by the way, if you ever want to plug your phone in to this to the computer, at least on the Mac, you put in QuickTime, and then you go here and it'll show your like iPhone. And notice I got my iPhone here, and that's how I can see my iPhone. That's on QuickTime. Okay, and then you can have it on your computer screen, and you can mimic your phone on this screen through QuickTime, if you ever wondered how to do that, because sometimes people ask me. All right, notice here I set up an event. Okay, this is an event that I shared with, Chaos is a new club that's opening up at the Palms. It's actually a big deal. They're going to have a huge nightclub, huge pool, very comparable to like Omnia and Access for the nightclub, and then the pool, very comparable to like Encore Beach and What Republic. A lot of big talents. They got Cardi B. I think they got Travis Scott. They got some house guys like Above and Beyond. Cascade is one of the residents. So anyway, it's a big deal for my company. It's going to be a nice account for us, hopefully, and everything's going to hopefully go well there. And so the cool thing that I found out here is now you can actually share this event. Take a look here. And at one time you could, let's go to the actual event. Oh, here it is. Okay. So where it says share, when you're on the actual event page, you can actually share as a story. Notice here, share as a story. That's when you're on the actual event page. So that's the power here of a new thing that you couldn't do before. And then if you share it as a story, people are actually going to see this, and they can actually mark if they're interested or not. So this is kind of a big deal. You didn't used to be able to share these events as a story. So I'm going to do it in the public, my news feed, and I can send it to people in their messenger. But sharing publicly on a story is cool, and people can actually announce if they're interested or not. So there's kind of a new feature that you couldn't do before. So you can share it in Messenger, privately with friends. You can share to find friends to go with. And let's see what this more options is. You can do like different stuff like airdrop it and whatnot. Yeah, it looks like you could share it in WhatsApp, on Twitter and whatnot. Let's see if I can share this on Twitter. Yeah. So we'll do a little share on Twitter. So I used to do a ton of these events, but Facebook kind of really stopped making them very valuable. Like you couldn't invite very many people and whatnot. But now that they're able to share these in stories, stories are becoming more popular every day, and now you can share it in your story. So it might make more sense to do these events. I don't really do a lot of promotions these days. I used to back in the day. I used to get paid to bring people into the nightclubs. Now I just get paid to bring customers in that are buying bottle service. I'm more like a hosting company. And so I don't appeal to the large masses. I go after more of a select niche of people that have funds to buy bottle service and whatnot. So, for me, with what I'm doing right now, it's not great. But if you're like a promoter, or you have an event, like say you're doing like a birthday of some sort, or some kind of event where you want to get people to come to a meetup of some sort, this would be a cool way to now share your event with a story. So that is the new feature on Facebook. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the story sharing feature. And I'm Brian Pfeiffer, the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.